One of the most annoying things... No mustache, eh? A wise man once said, Mark Rober feeds Bill Gates a meatless hamburger. You better be getting prepped to kiss your honey. When doing something awesome, it is preferable to catch it on camera to show your friends. You found yourself here probably looking for a new laptop. For most people, and when you... 1.6 million impressions, 150,000 views, 5,500 watch hours, that's 230 days, have led us up to this moment, and we are here to say thank you. Thank you, the fans of 3411 Heaven Media, for 1,000 subscribers. This dream has come a lot faster than we, the boys of 3411 Heaven, have thought, and it's because of you. And I have to say, this is not where it stops. While on this journey, we have reviewed tons of LED light strips, done giveaways with ProPods, and yes, even spent 24 hours in a bathroom, as well as reviewing some questionable massage guns, thanks to Elijah for volunteering to be in that video. We have a lot more planned. Some partnerships with organizations like the beloved Midwest gas station Quick Trip, and the only sticker vendor you'll ever need, Sticker Mule, and that's just a taste of what's to come. So stick around. And if you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button because we want you to be here for the whole ride. And for those of you who have been OG fans and the people that we pestered at school to subscribe, you watch, because growth is coming. Now, all that aside, I do have to say some very special thank yous. First off, glory to God for this opportunity for us to make videos and share this content with you all on the internet. Thank you to Jack and Lucas. And while you may not see them on camera because they're maybe just a little camera shy, Jack and Lucas have had tons of hours editing these videos. We have put out just under 90 videos before reaching 1,000 subscribers. Even if each video only took 3 hours to edit, that's still 2,700 hours of work. So those guys have definitely been putting their nose to the grindstone, and this dream would not be possible without their help. And yes, we are a team that will be moving forward together. Even though I have a full-time job, they're headed back to school, and let's not forget we're miles apart in the middle of a pandemic. We are going to continue trucking on and making content for you, our beloved viewers. Besides the videos and all the things you see on YouTube, we have made over 123 posts on Instagram, 123 posts on Twitter, as well as 123 posts on Facebook. And even bigger than all that is the time that Jack and others who have been loyal players of our 3411 Heaven Minecraft server. If you haven't checked that out, you have to do so via the link in the description. Yes, I have to make a plug even during our thank you video. Lastly, thank you to all the family and friends who have supported us along this journey. We look for your continued support as we continue to grow to help keep us down to earth and still the funny boys from 3411 Heaven that we began as and will continue to be into the future. Thank you, thank you, thank you. As always, folks, don't forget to drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it, as well as click that subscribe button. But I really don't know why you'd watch our thank you video if you aren't subscribed yet. And since you have all been long-time subscribers, you know how I end every video. Let's do it together now. Bird out.